Everyone keeps asking me the same thing. Is the Osmo Dashcam Pro actually worth your money, or is this just another sounds insane on paper gadget? Because the claims are wild. Front and rear 4K cameras, night vision, 24/7 loop recording, a 170-degree wide angle, and somehow all of that for $149 instead of $300. That's either a steal or a red flag. So I went digging. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm breaking it down so you don't get misled by marketing. Now on paper, these specs sound stacked. Dual 4K alone is impressive since many dash cams still max out at 1080p or 2K. A 170-degree lens can catch side impact, night vision is a plus, and loop recording is standard but necessary. If all of this works as advertised, you're already ahead of most budget dash cams. Here's where reality kicks in. I couldn't find any independent third-party reviews that fully test this exact model. That means most of what we know comes directly from the manufacturer. The recognized by German insurance companies claim sounds impressive, but it's vague. No insurers listed, no conditions explained, and no clarity on whether that matters outside Germany. Real dashcam performance depends on things companies rarely highlight: GPS stamping, G-sensor accuracy, parking mode power source, heat resistance, and how stable the camera is long-term. The 2-minute installation also glosses over important questions. Are you hardwiring it? How is the rear cam mounted? And what actually powers 24/7 recording? So here's the honest verdict. If you're an everyday city driver who wants basic front and rear coverage and understands your trusting manufacturer claims, this could be a reasonable buy. It's definitely better than no dash cam at all. But if you want full parking surveillance, GPS tracking, proven reliability, or install once and forget performance, this becomes a gamble. That's a cautious yes for casual users and a hard no for anyone expecting premium security on a budget. If this saved you from buying hype disguised as tech, that's the goal. Next time, we're breaking down an 8K AI dash cam. And yeah, capitalism was clearly unsupervised. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.